Hello, and welcome to this App Studio Getting Started video. The goal of this video is to introduce the Quick Access Toolbar and show you how to access and customize it. The Quick Access Toolbar is located in the upper left corner of App Studio, next to the Application button. It gives you access to frequently used commands. By default, the toolbar includes the Open, Save, Save All, Quick Print, Undo, Redo, Cut, Copy, Paste, and Run commands. If you want to remove the default commands from the Quick Access Toolbar, click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the toolbar. In the drop-down menu, unselect the commands you want to remove. You can re-add these commands to the Quick Access Toolbar by reselecting them. If you want to add new commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, click the drop-down arrow and then click More Commands to open the Customize dialog. In this dialog box, you can fully customize the Quick Access Toolbar. From the Choose Commands From list, you can select an area of App Studio that contains a command you want to add to the toolbar. Select a command and click Add to add it to the Quick Access Toolbar. You can also add commands to the toolbar by using the shortcut menu on a command and then clicking Add to Quick Access Toolbar. In the Customize dialog box, commands are represented by the same icons that appear on the ribbon. Not every command appears as an icon. A command that does not have an icon, but has a vertical arrow, is a command group. A command that has an icon and a horizontal arrow is a command with a submenu. You can add all commands, command groups, and commands with submenus to the Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to remove a command, select it from the list and click Remove. You can also remove commands from the Quick Access Toolbar by using the shortcut menu and then clicking Remove from the Quick Access Toolbar. You can use the arrows on the right side of the dialog box to change the order of commands in the toolbar. To reset the Quick Access Toolbar to the default state, click Reset. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.